Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you my new digitals. These are some labels, but I made a bunch of different things. So these are labels. See if these are pockets. These two are folders, and this one is a pocket. These are all tags, and this is called Marvelous Medieval Digital Kit. Tabs, envelopes. Alright, so this is the first collage page, and the collage pages aren't necessarily in any certain order, so you know. But it's called Marvelous Medieval Digital Kit. So that's the first digital kit that I've made recently. Now this one is my vintage Japanese digital kit. These are tabs, labels, tags, playing card size pieces, an envelope, and then this is like a belly band, second envelope, and second belly band. These are two little folders, and then we're getting to the collage sheets. I think it goes this way, this one anyways. And there are 7 collage sheets total. Now I am only using very basic, very thin copy paper that's really old actually. So it may not be as bright as it would be on regular copy paper or on any other kind of paper. It's just this is what was paper-wise available to me at the current moment. So this is my vintage Japanese digital kit. So 2 digital kits that I've made in the last couple weeks on and off. Vintage Japanese digital kit and Marvelous Medieval digital kit. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you buy them, because I've noticed that there's a lot of digital kits, but they're all basically floral or with these, you know, Victorian looking people, but nothing like grungy-ish look to it. And I know there's a lot of people interested out there in the whole knights type idea and that type of thing, and then also a lot of people who are interested in the Japanese look in their journals. So this was my way of doing that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was more of a show and tell than anything, but I wanted to show you the new digital kits I made. There will be more coming. I've been just working on making my collages and stuff like that while I'm on vacation, but that's all I've been taking to vacation is stuff to glue and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.